60,000 mAh. PD100W. Aluminum alloy housing weight only 1360G. 21700. 21,700 battery bracket. 6-string protection plates. PD100W motherboard. PCB side panel. Custom aluminum alloy housing. 12 batteries tuned 6 strings are put together with brackets. Turn on the spot welder. Start by connecting the batteries in pairs. According to the position of the shield pad, lay out the nickel strips in series. This is what it looks like after the welding. Here, don't take it for granted to change the connection mode yourself. It will explode if it shorts out. Glue the protective plate on. Chinning the pad. Wire the battery to the protector plate. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage. Insert the motherboard into the opening on the front of the board. If any of you have noticed, what are these reserve pads on the motherboard for? This pad is used for welding and steering. Sha, you thought this move is true. Wonderful. Look out, do not heat the two charging interfaces for too long, so as not to melt the glue inside. So the welding is strong. The angle of the motherboard and side panels must be vertical, otherwise the wire from the outside will be crooked. Put a heat-conducting silicone pad on the back of the mouse tube. Insert the two sides of the motherboard into the grooves in the case. Push it down the track. The height of the thermal conductor silicone pad is a little different from the shell. It's easy when you plug it in. It sticks with the last bit of pressure. Put foam on both sides of the battery for single-sided adhesive insulation. Put the battery in the enclosure. Connect the positive and negative wires. Due to the high current, a moment of contact, there might be sparks. But it's not a problem. Finally, the thermistor is plugged into the battery. The housing has grooves where it connects up and down. When installing, be careful to insert the protruding metal into the groove. Put foam on the top of the protective plate. Push the casing in. Apply double-sided foam tape to the end of the battery. Cover the upper side panels. Screw in all the screws. Finally, peel the film off the top of the digital tube. Then discharging brick home is done. Take a look at how it looks. Then there are the materials and accessories. Answer questions and dispel doubts. First is the very core of the motherboard. A lot of kids want this motherboard, but the yield of our own welding is low. Second, it takes time and effort. Many small partners at this price are persuaded to withdraw. So we're thinking of a wave of crowdfunding is to raise an order for 100 pieces, then go to Zhale Huang with us anti-mass production, and then we ship it to you. Because of the cost of mass production, you have to pay for every piece of material, but the boarding fee, whether it's 1 tablet or 100, it's all that money. So if we can raise this mass production, it's much cheaper to come out. If you want to participate in this crowdfunding, you can direct me. I don't think so. At the request of a friend, I replaced the battery with a 21700. The blue model in the video is a Samsung 50E. This battery is imported, and this green one is made in China. Both models have a capacity of 5000 mAh. The internal resistance is different. The domestic ones are a little bigger. The price is domestic 20. Imported 30. I got these batteries through some connections. You can text me if you need me. Of course, when you do it yourself, choose the battery, must also choose the power battery. The battery quality is not up to standard. It's gonna explode. This aluminum shell is custom made by me. Actually, there are two. The one in the video holds the batteries. There's also a model that can hold a battery. If you think this one in the video is too thick, then you can choose the case with the battery. It's always the same. This is the power bank port. Fast charge protocol supported by port C. And finally, friends who want to make their own, I'll put the list of materials together. The introduction or comments section of the video, you can pick it up yourself. You can text me if you want the finished product. So that's the end of this video. Bye.